ama sa pini na hi video en tu te tek teng chi bai SSC exam tam khop tak yom dinga wai exam changina adia kina maths yon exam changin question ho pp khong le sau pp ki solve saka wai te atom zo device solve thik ha le chi de na ja kina ya sau lo question khale ni kon post dinga yai pian ina phat tom pi khak le chia yai lam hon post ka hi a question khatna dingina if the length of the cube is increased by 10%, by how much is the surface area and volume of the cube increased? Kichia cube pa aleng ki bang ve ka hiya alenga ki bang ve male heya aleng khat kha ki pya a himale wai pen a number ki theilo hi increase by 10% wai leng pen kha 10% na hon pung to changena hon increase to changena a surface area om sa pen khatom dinga hiya wai pen surface area pen percent bang jena pung zowa je hiya question ai ke volume percent bang jena pung zowa je hiya wai je ken hiya a surface area jong kya ding dan saupia solve thia himale atom zo de wai solve thik khak le em de ina ja ken hiya kon pose hiya surface area ichi changina area in kha length to breadth ne hiya cube khonga yele le area of base chi khong in jong kya changna length to breadth kila hiya wai ja ka hiya surface area in jong kya som changina surface area equal to 10 increase by 10% kichi jakina surface area kha 10 plus 10 plus chi ding dan hiya 10 plus 10 plus an nga zalun la question khat kon dia 10 plus 10 plus hiya 10 into get akigel thelu jakina into get thei mai into 10 divided by 100 yai patayin jong khat jangina surface area I increase za direct apot ahia mm. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 here 10 plus 10 kha 20 here 20 plus 10 into 10 ai divide le 1 so ka hiya wai jaka surface area kha equal to 21% na increase zo hiya a volume kha equal to a volume bang jana increase zo de chi le hiya 21 pen lak sukno na 21 plus surface area kha length into breadth e dan dewa volume le kha length into breadth into height ne hiya wai jaka surface area ni kela khin ta wai jak wai pen kha 21 hiya khat belam non le 10 ya 10% belam non le kha 10 plus heitigel ya 21 to 10 multiply non di 21 multiplied by 10 into 100 yayon plus chiangina equal to 21 21 plus 10 kha 31 plus 21 210 divided by 100 kha 2.1 here equal to 31 plus 2.1 kha 33.1%. If the length of a cube is increased by 10% on here, a surface area kha 21% increase, a volume kha 33.1% increase. China here yai pen decrease hon hi ta jen jen le bang chin hi dia decrease hon hi ta le a surface area bang zain a ki decrease zo dia hi ke la volume bang zain a ki decrease zo dia chi ya ba na en suk non dia surface area a ki decrease za dikha 10% a length 10% a length ki decrease ai ta a wai jaga surface area ki decrease a dikha minus ngak zoluna minus 10 etigal minus to minus kha plus ahia minus to minus multiply le plus on jaka plus ya to khadela ma dana ten into 10 by 100 yon hi chang ha minus 10 kha i minus changa plus wa ka hi wa jaka hile assign ki hek lo minus 20 plus 10 into 10 18 mal i divide le i multiply le 1 pha here 1 wa jaka minus 20 plus 1 2 minus 20 plus 1 kha minus 19 minus in again kha decrease hi chi again na here minus 19 a volume kha bangjane decrease non ya dela ma dan dewa yet le volume equal to hey pen lak suk no na minus 19 a decrease kha minus 10 minus to minus tigel multiply le plus wa ko jaga plus hey ya kha equation bol non ngai 19 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 ni le equal to minus 19 to minus 10 kha minus 29 ya plus ya plus om jakina ya plus ka gela minus 29 plus 19 eting divide le 1.9 equal to minus 29 to minus 1.9 kha ni minus le bangza tunga le minus 29 to 1.9 27 wajaka 27.1% tung hileya 29 to 1.9 assign kha minus tam 29 tamzo 29 sign minus jaka minus yai answer enjoy ding kon gingta anon chang in leng anuam zo le theinop zo ding adang len ki pose ding hi ki pa ke